Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need a working Sharepoint site URL and matching Power BI sign-in. Once you have them, begin. Open Power BI Desktop, choose Get Data, then Sharepoint Online List. Paste the root site URL, not the list page, and authenticate with your organizational account. Once connected, the navigator shows available lists. Select the list you want, but do not load yet. Make sure to choose Transform Data to inspect columns first. This prevents schema surprises later and gives you control over types and filters. You'll spend most time in Power Query shaping the list. This is why. Expand lookup, record, and person fields to extract email, ID, title, or metadata. Convert text dates to date/time types, trim whitespace, and remove duplicate rows. If attachments are needed, expand the attachments column and extract file names or URLs. Once done, add calculated columns or measures you need for reporting and rename fields clearly. Finally, preview row counts and click Close, and load to push a clean table into Power BI. After loading, publish your PBICs to the Power BI service and choose the correct workspace. Once published, open dataset settings to set credentials and create a scheduled refresh. This keeps the report current. If your SharePoint is on-premise, install and configure an enterprise gateway. Share the report with stakeholders and set permissions. If something breaks, first check that you use the site root URL and that your account still has list permissions. Make sure column type changes in Power Query match the dataset to avoid refresh failures.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.